precise La Marina. So we're just on our way down to Guardamar and possibly the castle. I'll see how we get on. Not been out on the bike for a while, the legs are a bit tired already. But got to do what we got to do, and bring you back in a minute. Bye for now. Oh, we're on the Kona today as well. Sun always shines in Spain as well. Still only about 13-14 degrees though, but hey, better than rain in the UK. Keep pedaling. We're going to go to the castle. If we go this way, we're rude not to really.
Say you like the wind blowing through your hair. Come on, roll with me till the sun goes down. Texas sun. Say you wanna hit the highway while the engine roars. Well, come on, roll with me till the sun goes down. Texas sun, oh yeah. Texas sun, caressing you from Fort Worth to Amarillo. Come on, roll with me till the sun dips low.
Here we are, far side of Guardamar, on the old Kona. There is, you see where that cutter is over there, on top of that hill there, you can just see it, there's another castle, it's really derelict, but that mound over there, that's another castle. So you've got Guardamar Castle, which is over the other side, which you're going to in a minute. I forget what that's called, I'll leave it in the description when I'm doing the edit, the post edit.
Texas sun, Texas sun, Texas sun, Texas sun. You say you like the wind blowing through your hair. Well, come on, roll with me till the sun goes down. Texas sun, Texas sun. Oh, baby, you're so gorgeous. How about you and me? Take a little trip.
Here we are on the climb up to Guardamar Castle, which is up there. It's tough this when you've not been out for a while. I'm out of breath. Here we are at Guardamar Castle. Directly over there, in front of that mountain, is Prevalenti. Marina herb over there, and Casada is over that bit there. Here we are on top of the castle now at Guardamar.
But now it's time for me to go. The autumn moon lights my way. But now I smell the rain, and with it pain, and it's heading my way. Sometimes I grow so tired, but I know I've got one thing I got to do. I ran along, and now the time is now. Sing my song.
years ago, in days of old, when magic filled the air. Just in the darkest depths of Mordor, I met a girl so fair. But Gollum and the evil one crept up and slipped away.